What's up, guys? My name is Will, sometimes also known as Norsh, and today I am going to be bringing you another sort of preview review of a Menlo Club package. If you don't know what Menlo Club is, it's a men's fashion box. Every month they send you a package of at least 2 items, and they expand your closet, and it costs $60 a month. This month's a little different though, so here's how we're going to do things. I'm going to show you the unboxing of this month's package, which is a Grand AC, which is Menlo Club's athleisure brand package. So we're going to open that up. We're going to show you what's in that, and then we're going to talk about what new members can get this month, because new members actually have a lot of options this month, and some of those options are amazing. The deals this month are crazy if you sign up if you're a new member. So let's open up the package, show you what we got, and then talk about what new members can get this month. Month, as I said, is a selection of items from the Grand Athletic Club, or Grand AC brand, that is part of the Menlo Club sort of trifecta of brands, that being 5'4", Grand AC, and their shoe brand, New Republic. First, we've got the Dover gray shorts. These are awesome. I actually have a pair of the shorts already from Grand AC that not quite this style, but similar material, and God, I love working out in them. If you're not the kind of guy that likes to work out, that doesn't matter. These shirts are some of the softest, nicest shirts that I've ever seen. This is the black Albert short sleeve shirt. Has the sort of pocket there, that you can see there. And all of them have these sort of Grand AC little 4 dots logo. Then we've got same shirt, but in gray, I believe. Yep, check it out. And then finally, a olive tank top. I think it's called the Dover tank top. I could be mistaken. Marcello tank top. Very nice. So if you're the kind of guy who hits the gym or goes running or works out really at all, this month's package is going to be great for you. However, if you are a new member, you have lots of options this month, and I'd like to talk to you about that. If you are a new member and you would like to sign up in the month of July, you've actually got 3 options. You can get the Grand Athletic package. You can get a 5'4" package that will be items from the past couple of months, I believe. Summer items. Take a look at my previous videos to see kind of items that might come in that. A lot of summer t-shirts, summer woven shirts, light fabrics, shorts, like the shorts I'm wearing now, but a lot of summer sort of wear items. Or, and this is probably where I would go if I was a new member, you can opt to get the Kurt white leather sneakers from a few months ago. These are $90 sneakers, and if you sign up using my code or my affiliate link, you can get them for $28. You'll get a pair of socks and a pair of sunglasses to go with them. These are $90 at the New Republic website. You can get them for 28 bucks. And super cool sort of kudos for these shoes. They were just recently named GQ's #1 white sneaker of the summer, under $100. So they are clean, they are awesome, they are some of the coolest sneakers that I own. I wear them all the time. I really suggest that you sign up for Menlo Club, at least to get these awesome white sneakers for just 28 bucks. Use my Norsh code, all caps, when you sign up, or use my link below, because this is a crazy deal. It's the best deal I think I've ever seen for a sign up. Go check that out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give it a like, comment, whatever. Do those YouTube things, and go Menlo. Little quick bonus add on to the video. I just got done working out in my new Grand AC duds. As you can see, I'm covered in sweat. It's pouring down me. But anyway, just wanted to add that I love these. They are super soft, they are super comfortable, they are super flexible, they move with you. The shorts have built-in compression shorts, which I love. It's covered with zippable pockets, which I love. And like I said, the shirt is soft, it breathes, it wicks the sweat. Second time or third time working out in Grand AC gear, and I continue to love it. A+ across the board.